This is about class 12th standard mathematics and about special integrals. I am going to discuss the questions related to exercise 7.4 of class 12th mathematics CBSE. Detailedly, I will discuss all the questions. Please try to understand. In that, I use these formulas from 1 to 6, whatever the formulas which I have written here. So we need all these formulas in our mind while doing all those problems. So please try to have a look onto all these formulas and have a revision on this. It is, the first one is 1 by a square plus x square into dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Second one is 1 by a square minus x square into dx. It is 1 by 2a log modulus a plus x by a minus x plus c. Similarly, 1 by x square minus a square, same formula, like x minus a by x plus a will come. So these are, in the denominator is a quadratic expression where there is no square root. So these will be like this. If the denominator is a quadratic expression with a square root, these three formulas we will get. 1 by root over a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a, whereas integration of 1 by root over x square minus a square is log modulus x plus root over x square minus a square. So whereas 1 by root over x square plus a square is log modulus x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. That means here and there, if you see the first without root with square root, there are two log formulas, one trigonometry formula. There are two log formulas, one is trigonometry formula. See, one trigonometry formula and then two log formulas. Here also one trigonometry, two log. Okay, so try to remember in a special way so that you will be able to understand the problems which I am going to discuss in exercise number 7.4. Okay, get ready with your notebooks, get ready with your textbooks. Yes, in the exercise 7.4, the first question is integration of 3x square by x power 6 plus 1 into dx. Before I apply one of the 6 special integral formula, I need to do some substitution method for this question. So first write this x power 6 as x cube whole square, because the derivative of x cube is present in the numerator. So take x cube is equal to t, so that you get 3x square into dx is equal to dt. So entire expression integrand can be changed as dt by t square plus 1, in which the integration of dt by t square plus 1 is tan inverse of t plus c. So the answer is tan inverse x cube plus c, since t was taken as x cube. Hope you are getting it. Next question. Integration of 1 by root over 1 plus 4x square into dx. So the first thing is you write 4x square as 2x whole square. Then check one of the special integral formula which is related to log modulus x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. That is that formula I am going to apply here. So but instead of x, what is there, you kindly notice. Instead of x there is a 2x here. So it is log modulus 2x plus root over 1 plus 2x whole square by 2. From where this 2 has come? The coefficient of x is divided, because x coefficient is given 2. If you see this, plus c. So after simplification you get like this. That is the second question. Then third question. Integration of 1 by square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1. 1 can be written as 1 square. Then apply the formula which is related to special integrals in the square root formula, which is log modulus 2 minus x plus root over 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. Here the minus has come since the coefficient of x is minus 1. So when I divide with minus 1, I get minus to the numerator like this. That means here the formula is applied 1 by root over x square plus a square. The before one, what I did for that, same thing only, into dx, right? Log modulus x plus root over x square plus a square formula. Now the next fourth question is integration of 1 by square root of 9 minus 25x square into dx, which can be written as 3 square minus 5x whole square is under the root. Kindly notice it. The formula related to 1 by root over a square minus x square integration is, it is sin inverse x by a. The formula can be applied. So it is sin inverse 5x by 3 plus c, but 1 by 5 has come due to the coefficient of x. Why that 1 by 5 has come? Due to the coefficient of x, not because of x by a. Okay, so this is the solution for the fourth question. Same way the detailed solution can be one by one explained. Please stay on and keep listening and keep doing practice parallelly. So look at the textbook. The question number 5, it was given as integration of 3x by 1 plus 2x power 4 into 2x. This is the question it is given. So here 2x power 4 is there. So take x square whole square, write x square is equal to t, then 2x is into dx is equal to dt. So x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So I can write instead of x into dx, these two, instead of in that place, this x into dx place, I can write 1 by 2 dt. But 3 has come outside. It was taken out. dt by 1 plus 2t square. So it is 1 plus 2t square can be written as 1 plus root 2t whole square. So this is the formula related to 1 by a square plus x square. Integration is tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Formula can be applied. So you get 3 by 2 tan inverse of root t by root t. This root 2 is coming due to the coefficient of t. Root 2t by root 2 plus c. So 1 by a, there is 1 by a is there. What happened to that 1 by a? Because there is no 1 by a will come here, reason it is 1 square. 1 by 1 will be how much? 1 by 1 will be 1 only. No need to write it. So 3 by 2 I say I have written it. Then tan inverse x formula applied by root t because of the coefficient of x plus c. Then substitute t with x square. So then you will get final answer. Next question. Integration of x square by 1 minus x power 6 into dx. So for this also take x power 6 as x cube whole square. Use the substitution. X cube is equal to t. Differentiating on both sides. 3x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. So you get 1 by 3 into dt by 1 square minus t square. It is a logarithm formula related to logarithm formula without square root. Means it is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So you get 1 by 2 into 1 log mod 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus c. Substitute t as x power 6. Finally we reach the answer after substituting t is equal to x cube. That is the 6th question. Next, 7th question. X minus 1 by root over x square minus 1. X minus 1 by root over x square minus 1. How to do it? So first take the integrand like that, integral like that, and split the integrand x by root over x square minus 1 and 1 by root over x square minus 1. So in the first integral, you can take x square minus 1 is equal to t, so that 2x into dx is equal to dt. X dx can be substituted as 1 by 2 dt. So it is 1 by 2 is outside, 1 by root t dt. Since I took x square minus 1 as t, we took x square minus 1 as t, that's why it has happened like this. Now if you see the second integrand, directly a special integral formula. It is a formula. What is that? 1 by root over x square minus a square. So it is minus log mod x plus root over x square minus 1. You can do like this. So finally you reach the answer with by using the first integral with t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 2 1 plus 1. And the second one is direct formula I have written here. So finally by substituting t as x square minus 1, you will get root over x square minus 1 minus log mod x plus root over x square minus 1 plus c. So here the important thing to be noticed by everyone, how to integrate such kind of models by splitting, because the x is the derivative of x square minus 1. So by substitution this can be happening. Second one is by using the formula directly we can do it. So hope you got it. Next question. 8th question, it is integration of x square by root over x power 6 a power plus a power 6 into dx. So here also same, x power 6 is there, such the reason x cube is equal to t, 3x square dx is equal to dt. So 1 by 3 dt into t square root over t square plus a cube whole square I can write. So the formula can be used 1 by root over x square plus a square formula. Instead of x, t is there. Instead of a cube is there. So I apply the formula and just do it. 1 by 3 log mod t plus root over t square plus a cube whole square plus c. So try to write all the formula in one page of paper. Then in that, while doing the questions, please see the formula. Then he will understand it properly. Next question, ninth question. Integration of secant square x dx by tan square x plus 4 into dx. That is the question. It is given like this. So how to do it? So it is very clear. Secant square x dx must be removed. To do that, take tan x is equal to t. Can we take like that? Check it out. Tan x is present in this. Yes. So secant square x into dx is equal to dt. So finally I reach like this, dt by root over t square plus 2 square, which is 1 by root formula related to log. The formula is applied here is 1 by root over a square plus x square into dx integration. It is log mod x plus root over a square plus x square plus c. So finally substitute t is equal to tan x, then you get the final answer. Next question. From here it is related to the completing square method. The first question, it is in 10th question, 1 by root over x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx. So take that quadratic expression is given. The quadratic expression is given which is having the middle term. The coefficient of x is exist. If there is x coefficient is there, you will have to do completing square method. What method? CSM, which is completing square method. So for that you take x square plus 2x into 1 plus 1 square is a completed square, then minus 1 square plus 2. So that plus 1 square minus 1 square cancel. If you go back, you get x square plus 2x only. So what will happen, see in this box, whatever it is written in the blue color, if you see in this color, so it will be x plus 1 whole square, and then minus 1 square plus 2 is plus 1 square. So in the square root you write that one, then you can able to apply one of the formula, special integral 6 formula, one of the formula you can use here to do. Finally you get the answer. Check out the formula, which formula I used it. If you see the 6 formula, you will understand it. Root over a square plus x square formula was used here, right? Next question. Same, the completing square method should be used. Earlier 10th question there is square root, and the 11th question there is no square root. That's all the difference is. So look, here it is. Here it is 9x square plus 6x plus 5 is given. Take the quadratic expression since the middle term is exist. So I just do completing square method here. So 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x. If it is only x square, I write 2 into x into 1 or 2 like that, depending on the middle term. But here what is there? Here 3x whole square, 2 into 3x, 6x will be there into 1 because nothing left. 1 plus 1 square minus 1 square plus 5. So 3x plus 1 whole square plus 5. 3x plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 4. So because minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. 4 is nothing but 2 square. So we can apply tan inverse formula. It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by 2 tan inverse 3x by 2. This into 2 into 3. Where the into 3 was written, reason the coefficient of x. So finally we reach the answer. Next, 12th question. It is also same completing square method only, but x square is having a negative. So how to do this completing square? Look at this. Look at this very carefully. See, it is 7 minus 6x minus x square was taken separately and did the completing square method. 7 minus 6x minus x square minus take out from x square and 6x. So then 7 minus, keep it like this. See, x square plus 6x can be written as x square plus 2 into x, but 6x it is. What is that? That is 6x. So then I can write into 3. Whenever into 3 is coming, plus 3 square minus 3 square. Then if you look at this group, you can write that group as x plus 3 whole square and then minus 9. Open the square bracket. 7 plus 9 will be 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. 16 is nothing but 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. Since it is having the root, so the formula is applied, sin inverse x by a formula. You look at the formula so that you will understand. It is root over a square minus x square formula was taken here. Done. Same completing square. 13th one. It is also a completing square, but the thing is that is given x minus 1 into x minus 2. So first you multiply them. X minus 1 into x minus 2, you get x square minus 3x plus 2. After multiplication, go for completing square. It is x square minus 2 into x, but it is 3, so write 3 by 2. So 2 cancel, 3x will come. But whenever you write 3 by 2 there, you should write 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Then if you see from x square to 3 by 2 whole square, this is x minus 3 by 2 whole square. This is minus 9 by 4 plus 2, we get minus 1 by 2 whole square after simplification. So this is of completing square now. So the middle term is there, means always you should do completing square. The x coefficient is there in the quadratic, means you should do completing square. So substitute that instead of x minus 1 into x minus 2, substitute whatever we got here. We got this one, you substitute here. Then you get, this is like this. Then which formula, which special integral can be applied? Check. Variable square minus constant square. X square minus a square. 1 by root over x square minus a square. The formula is logarithm related and square root related formula. Then you apply the formula. Then finally substitute, write the answer. That's all. Okay. Now 14th also same, completing square. Take 8 plus 3x minus x square. 8 plus 3x minus x square. Take minus common. Then x square minus 3x. Complete the square. Then you get, try to use the steps to do complete the square. Then you get 41 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. So it is related to a square minus x square under root. So sin inverse x by a formula. So plus c. Done. 14th one. Next, 15th one. The 15th one is like earlier all the questions are having constants and variable x only. But in this one, variable is x, constants are a and b. Constants also in terms of letters it has given. So how to do it? First open it. X minus a into x minus b can be written as x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. So the first thing is like I can write, see, I'll just explain how to do completing square for this one. Okay. What is that? X minus a into x minus b can be written as x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. So first it is x square minus 2ab, na? 2 into x into a plus b by 2. If I do, I get balancing and x into a plus b will come. But I have to add a plus b by 2 whole square and subtract a plus b by 2 whole square, so that for balancing, plus ab. Now if I see that, see, the completing square will be happening from here to here. That is nothing but x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a plus b whole square by 4 plus ab. So that I can write this one as x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a plus b whole square minus 4ab divided by 4, because the minus of minus becomes plus. That is the reason here it has minus has come. Okay, LCM was taken. So that x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus this a plus b whole square minus 4ab. If you notice here, see, look, from here to here, this one can be written as a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square by 4. So this is nothing but x minus a plus b by 2 whole square is variable square minus a minus b by 2 whole square is the constant square. Variable square minus constant square has come for this question. So like this it was expressed. So have a pause and look at from first to last, then you will understand. Okay, now what happened here now? So look at this. So that one, whatever I got it, I wrote here. Then I applied the formula log modulus x plus root over x square minus a square. So inside the root it is variable square minus constant square is there inside the root. That one only I have to write inside the root here. So but that is the simplification of x minus a into x minus b. That's why I wrote it as it is, plus c. Done. Next, look, sixth question. Sixth question is very easy. So till now we have not seen anything in the denominator. In the denominator till now we have seen only dx by something, root or dx by without root quadratic expression. Like this you have seen in the dx by root quadratic expression or dx by quadratic expression. But in the numerator here we have seen along with dx 4x plus 1 has seen. So this is also very easy to convert. See the denominator squares in the quadratic expression, whatever it is there, you look at that. Whenever the numerator is a linear expression, see the quadratic expression, whatever it is there, see that the derivative of the quadratic expression 2x square minus x plus 3, what is that? Wait, 2x square plus x plus 3, 2x square plus x minus 3, what is the derivative of this? 4x plus 1. Whether it is present in the numerator or not, check. Whether it is present in the numerator or not, check. Yes, present, 4x plus 1. So immediately you take that denominator quadratic expression as t. So 4x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. 4x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. So you get dt by root t. Root t integration is 1 by root t integration is t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. T power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. It is 2 root t plus c. So 2 root 2 x square plus x minus 3 plus c. Okay. Hope you are getting it. Next thing. Next question. 24th question. So 24th question is easy because it is 1 by quadratic expression. Complete the square. Then apply tan inverse formula. This is easy. One of the formula is applied. 24th hour. 17th. Now look at the 17th. 17th is also one of the questions we have done already. Splitting must be done here. X plus 2 by root over x square minus 1. X by root x square minus 1 plus 2 by 1 by root x square minus 1. So here substitution should happen. Here the formula can be done. Substitution means by taking x square minus 1 is equal to t. 2x minus 1 dx into 2x into dx is equal to dt. So you can write x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So it is 1 by 2 into 1 integration 1 by root t dt. This one is converted like this. Then this one will be applied the formula directly. 2 was taken as it is. So it is log mod x plus root over x square minus 1. So then after that 1 by 2 root t integration, because this 2 sent inside, because we know 1 by 2 root t is the integration derivative of root t. So integration of 1 by 2 root t is root t plus this. T means what? Substitute. Plus c. Done. So this next question is completing square directly. It is not so difficult. 25th one is also directly completing square. Denominator 9x minus 4x square. Complete the square. It is minus of 2x square, 2x whole square minus 9x. So it is 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 9 by 4. Because 2 2s are 4, 4 gets cancelled, 9x will come. So that 9 by 4 whole square minus 9 by 4 whole square. So then you get the finally completing square like this. Substitute it in the square root. So it will be a related sine inverse formula. 1 by 2 is there since because of x coefficient. Sine inverse x by a formula was used. Completing square is important here. 18th question. Now 18th question, linear by quadratics. What is the derivative of the denominator? Check it out first. The derivative of the denominator is we are getting 2 plus 6x. But what is the numerator? 5x minus 2. That are not matching. When they are not matching, we do another approach, that is by taking the numerator 5x minus 2 is equal to a into derivative of the denominator plus b, so that splitting will happen. After substituting the numerator as like this, I can do splitting, then I can integrate it properly. So then what I have to do, first see that the denominator's derivative is what? 2 plus 6x. When that is not there in the numerator, then you will have to take the numerator is equal to a into derivative of the denominator plus b, a into 2 plus 6x plus b. Then open the 2 plus 6x with a multiplying a, 2a plus 6ax plus b. Compare the coefficients, comparing corresponding coefficient, you get 6ax and 5x. If I equate, I get 6a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 by 6. Substitute, then 2a plus b will be minus 2, 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. Then you get b value as minus 11 by 3 by substituting a is equal to 5 by 6. Understood? Then what I written here, we wrote the numerator as a into derivative of the denominator plus b. Write this one like this. So because 5x minus 2 is nothing but this one, 5x minus 2 is nothing but this one. So it is a into 2 plus 6x minus 11 by 3. A and b values from where just now we found. Substituted. By 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Now what I have to do? Once you do like this, you will have to split the fraction with 2 fractions. 5 by 6 is outside. 2 plus 6x by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square is 1 fraction. Minus 11 by 3 is outside into dx by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So what we do after doing like this, there are 2 methods now. One is, look, very important model this is. So this is by using substitution method, by taking denominator is equal to t or quadratic expression is equal to t, I can solve out this first integral. Second integral by using completing square method, CSM. So then 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, how to complete the square? Take 3 common first, so that x square plus 2x by 3 plus 1 by 3 will come. So it is nothing but x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square is one group, minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 is another group. So that I can write x, the first group, as x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 9. So that, see, integrand 1, if you see that integral 1 is 5 by 6 1 by t dt, integral 2 is minus 11 by 3 dx by 3 was out, 3 x plus 1 by 3 plus root 2 by 3 whole square, because 9 by 2 is 2 by 9 is nothing but root 2 by 3 whole square I can write. So that I can apply x square plus a square tan inverse x by a formula. So this 3 will be taken outside and 11 by 9 I can write. Okay, so apply the formula, then finally you get the answer. 5 by 6 log mod t, because 1 by t integration. Again, this is 11 by 9 into 1 by root 2 by 3, because 1 by a. Formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 by root 2 by 3 plus c. Then what will happen next? This one, 3 1s are 3 3s are, so 11 by 3 root 2, tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. Finally answer has come. Same process for 19th question also. 19th question, x minus 5 into x minus 4, open it. X square minus 9x plus 20 will come. So then you see that what is the derivative of the denominator? What is the derivative of the quadratic expression present? The derivative of this is 2x minus 9. But what is the numerator? 6x plus 7. Those are not matching. When they are not matching, numerator must be written as a into derivative of the denominator plus b. So that after opening 2x minus 9 with a, then comparing the coefficients, 2a is equal to 6, a is equal to 3. Minus 9a plus b is equal to 7, b is equal to 34. Substitute those values in the numerator, 6x plus 7. Here, 6x plus 7 can be written as, this 6 numerator can be written as 2 into 2x minus 9 plus 34, since that is nothing but, here you can see a value, b value substitution by root over x square minus 9x plus 20. Then what will happen? Then splitting of the fraction will happen. 3 is outside. This is 9x, 2x minus 9 by root over that. 34 is outside, dx by root over that. Then now 2 integrals has come. What, how many integrals? 2 integrals has come. This is by substitution. This is by CSM, completing square method. We can do solve. Okay. So then take the denominator is equal to t, 2x minus 9 into dx is equal to dt. The first one will be solved out. 1 by root t dt will come. Second one is use completing square method. Then you get like this. Then apply the formulas. You will get the answer finally. Hope you are understanding. So like this we can solve all the problems from question number 20 to 23. All models of the same type, which are linear expression by quadratic expression or linear expression by root over quadratic expression. So when these kind of questions are there, the numerator, whatever you see the linear expression, numerator whatever you see the linear expression, now whatever it is there, that linear expression must be expressed as a into, very important thing, see here, the important thing is for these things, linear by quadratic expression, linear expression by root over quadratic expression. If this quadratic expression, if d by dx of quadratic expression is equal to the linear expression, no problem. Directly you can take the substituted quadratic expression as t and do like this. See, 2x by x square plus 2 into dx. Take the denominator is equal to t, directly 2x dx is equal to d. No problem at all. But if it is there like this, see, what is that next? Linear, when it is not the derivative present, when the derivative is not present, that means that time linear expression in the numerator, whatever is there, that must be expressed as a into derivative of quadratic expression plus b. So that after that find out what is a value, what is b value, then after that substitute these a b values in this linear expression with the quadratic expression derivative, and then split the fraction and do the special integrals and substitution method. Then you will get the answer. That is the process to be followed for all the questions. Thank you very much. So do practice this exercise from this from 20 to 23 also. Please try yourself, same like 18 and 19 only. Process may be long. If you try these questions, some 5 to 6 questions, if you try, you feel it is easy. Okay, thank you very much everyone. Thank you so much.